Alright. So guys, today's video, I'm gonna work on my friend piece of shit car. Gonna do his brake rotors.
Piece of shit on piece of shit.
It's a piece of shit because he bought it from a piece of shit. You're gonna do the rotors and the brake pads, replace it. Some maintenance work. Doing upgrade, drill slotted. Still got some life. But we're gonna replace it because he want to upgrade his system to get some better stopping power.
Oh, fuck, man, it's just gonna rip my...
Passenger rear. You know what the piece of shit said? He said it had coilovers.
I already knew that was a lie.
I knew it was a lie too when I saw it.
Yeah, I see it. The car gets coilovers.
Yeah, coilovers and look at this shit.
Like, this thing just lied to my face. I was like, oh, whatever. I'm putting shit upside down.
Line it up. Let me see. Take it off. There's any for the screw hold the line up? Does it look like it? Where? Oh no, you're fine. Yeah, just put it.
Uh-oh, I got the wrong ones. I lied.
This guy. I was paranoid, man.
I know. Is that the hammer in it or something?
No, you good. When you lug nut everything's gonna get tightened, everything. And all the freaking other brakes. Put this on first. Then, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, you want to lube this? Is it already lube? No, you already got it lube. You want to re-lube it?
Yeah.
Let me get the grease.
Okay.
Get that grease. Then this freaking lens make my freaking camera look way better. Just put like a tip. No, a little more. Cover that whole black part, yeah.
That's what does it?
Yeah, then poke it in there.
That was a normal sentence. Eh? Just,
Yeah.
I don't have to lube the rod?
No, when you push it in, you should lube everything up, like move it back and forth.
I can't take you seriously. Nothing in the entire conversation was normal. Just want to tip and then just...
Oh,
is this too much?
No, that's fine. What the hell is that over here?
Oh.
Tamale lady.
It's Molly's.
I want some. Okay.
Oh, do I need to put new ones? Take out.
It didn't come with new ones, so you just reuse those.
What do I do?
Put the, you know that grease? Put a little bit on the metal part.
This?
Yeah. So it can slide in. Or put on the bracket.
Where?
No, the brake. Put on the brake.
On the back?
Right here. Just put it right here. So it can slide in more easily.
Oh shit. Tamales.
126. Been here for, start at 5. Damn, we've been here for 2.5 hours. We only did the back. It should have been easy, but we had problems trying to get the rotors in. And the freaking nuts was like wrong sizes and shit, so it got us all confused and lost. Dumbass previous owner.
Owners.
Ugh, man.
Yeah.
Finally done doing the brakes. Shit took forever. Started at 5. It's probably like 9 or 10 right now. We had a complication with the boat not going in. But bleed the brakes, pump it, put some new fluids, and we're done for today.